Doesn't matter what sport you're into, if you're going to play the game, you have to win the pre-game.
And to win the pre-game, you need a goal. You need to commit to the hard work, to the sweat and to the pain. And whatever your goal, the I Will Do platform will help you get there. Select your goal, commit to achieving it, access content from the AIS and elite athletes to keep you going. Be inspired by Rexona ambassadors who'll share their goals and help you reach yours. And even win AIS testing reserved for Olympians, then connect with others working towards similar goals and be inspired to do more. Rexona won't let you down.
It doesn't matter what level you're at today, because we're all here to help you prepare to do more tomorrow.
I Will Do. Give your goal a game plan. Commit now.